use the MeDinject in my practice for multiple applications. I use it aesthetically for the face, neck, chest, arms, legs. I can do hyaluronic acid for fine lines, wrinkles, or just moisture restoration. Microbotox for pore size and lifting. Glutathione and vitamin C for lightening and brightening. I also use MeDinject for biostimulators. It's a substance that we inject into your skin that induces your body to produce its own collagen. We can also do the same with PRP, PRF, exosomes, stem cells, to induce all those nice growth factors so that your body creates and produces its own collagen. The results are amazing. I do combination therapies with energy devices. So I'll do it after a CO2 or a YAG laser or an RF Microneedling because it's combination therapy that produces the best results. I can get the product that I want to put in the exact area at the correct depth. So I know that any substance I'm using is going to go in the exact spot that I need it. So I don't have to guess, did I get it deep enough? Did I get it shallow enough if I'm doing single needle treatment? This one has 9 pin tip needle and a 5 for hair restoration. The reason why I love the MeDinject for hair restoration, it's going to allow me to do this procedure much quicker. I also can have the exact depth that I need it to be, which is very important in hair restoration.
On the business side, the MeDinject is one of the quickest return on investments of any device that we've brought to the marketplace. The reason being is hair restoration is just exploding right now, and the delivery system for hair restoration is with the MeDinject. In fact, mesotherapy as treatment, which most people know when you're talking about an automated injector, has gone up in the United States by 30% in the last 12 months. The reason being hair restoration. We're seeing such a high demand out there for providers wanting to provide hair restoration, but right now they only have a single syringe to do it until the MeDinject came along. Now we're able to deliver all these materials through 9 needles on face and neck or with 5 needles on the scalp all simultaneously. When you think about that, there's only one treatment that's necessary every single month to break even on the cost of acquiring the device. So if you're doing more than one hair restoration treatment a month, you're going to pay for the device very easily. In fact, most of our providers are doing at least one a day. So the MeDinject is one of those devices that pays for itself very quickly, typically 6 months or less with some sound marketing. So we encourage you to take a look at the MeDinject. We think it's one of the most exciting devices to come to the aesthetic marketplace in the last decade.